Hey guys, welcome back to MrPhoneDoctor.com. Today we're going to be going over our curved screen shield, which is the best protection for your curved screen Samsung device. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and apply our curved screen shield, which actually uses liquid optical clear adhesive, which short term is LOCA. So this is actually going to give you another layer of protection with this sheet of glass on top. So you're going to have the glue and then this glass. It's basically like laying another sheet of glass on top of your new glass. We highly recommend this because it is highly sensible to your touch. You don't have to worry about pressing hard or anything like that for it to respond, and it does not fall off. It's fully glued. It does not have glue on just the edges like most of those screen protectors out there on the market. So first things is we're going to want to go ahead and clean off our LCD screen. So we're going to want to first cover up any kind of speaker assemblies on the device to make sure we don't get any glue inside there. If we do get glue in there, it's going to prevent any kind of audio from coming out of there. So we want to make sure that we have it nice and covered. And this looks pretty clean. So we're going to go ahead and apply the LOCA first. So we just like to put a little X here so it flows evenly across the screen. There we go. Once that is done, we apply the glass shield. There we go. We just got to wait a few minutes, let all the glue run through. Once it runs through, we're going to actually use a UV light to cure the glue and solidify it to adhere to the glass. Now the next step is going to be to apply the UV light. So we're going to set this over for about 15 seconds and let it cure. Alright, so there you have it. This is the curved screen guard for your Samsung devices. You can see how perfectly fit this is. Full glue, and of course it is case friendly, so you can see it doesn't go all the way to the edges, which it allows for a case to fold over. So this right here, like I said, this is the best application that we have for your curved screen devices. Touch is fully responsive. No need to have to press or force press on the screen. Just works nicely every time. And once it's fully cured, this thing does not come off unless you apply heat to it. So really well. It's better for this curved screen guard to crack than your actual screen. You can see here how I'm pressing up right here with my fingernail and it's not even budging. Look at that. You can see my fingernail bending in it. It's on there solid. It's not going anywhere. Only the best by Mr. Phone Doctor. So make sure you guys ask for this whenever repairing your screens, because this is actually going to save you guys. It's better this to break, like I said. So if you guys have any questions, let us know. Leave your comments down below, and also be sure to subscribe. Thanks again, guys.